Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited. I'm so glad to be shooting this video today, and I'm so happy I'll be hearing from you guys again. I'm so happy we are going to be able to learn from one another again this time around. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please kindly remember to subscribe. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel and you are not new here, please be cool, subscribe now. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember to comment down below before the end of the video, and remember to like the video, give the video a thumbs up. So guys, I'm finally done with my Nysc. In my introductory video, I stated that I was in Benin City serving our nation Nigeria. Yes, so I completed my service in October. My POP was on 6th of October, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys some lessons, the lessons I learned during my service here. So keep watching. First thing I'll be talking about is the fact that time flies. Yes, flying like a bird, time flies. So do not procrastinate. As much as you can, please, just whatever you have in mind that you want to do, as early as possible, do it and forget about it. That's the best, because if you keep procrastinating and keep hoping that okay, a time is coming, a better time is coming, a better time is coming, it will be a slap on your face that the time will never come, and then the moment you were supposed to have used to achieve something or to do that thing you're supposed to do, it will go. So don't procrastinate, please. Just do whatever you're meant to do. Do it at that time. Whatever you can do now, you don't have to put it to tomorrow. What if something happens tomorrow? Benin Museum is just like 10 minutes. It's not even up to 10 minutes drive from my house. So I had this in mind since I got to Benin and I got to that my house that I'm going to visit Benin Museum. I'm going to visit Benin Museum. I've heard a lot of things about Benin Museum that I want to go there and see by myself. Till now that I'm talking to you guys, I've not been able to visit Benin Museum. That's because I was thinking that I'll be able to go tomorrow. It's just 10 minutes away. I'll be able to go next tomorrow. I'll go next week. I'll go during the weekend. And so today, I've not been able to go. And I'm already in Ibadan, which means if I'm not able to go to Benin again forever, I may never be able to visit Benin Museum. And it's just 10 minutes away from my house, which I would have just strolled. I can actually stroll down there. I'll just stroll down from my house to Ring Road, and then I'll go to Benin Museum. It's not far at all. So why did I have it in mind that I wanted to go? Until now, till I finished, till my POP week, I was not able to go. So time flies. The things you are able to do now, please do it now, or else you may regret it. The next thing I'll be talking about is this service here is the time to explore. Yes, it's the time to explore. What are those things you've always wanted to do? It's time to do them. You want to learn a skill? It's time to learn it. Maybe you have a business idea in your mind and you have the ability to put it out. It's time to do it. You're no longer in the university, you're not in the real world. I see it as a period to test run things. You love to write, it's time to write. You love to read, it's time to read. You love to learn skills, you love to try new things. You are now somewhere where nobody knows you, or almost nobody knows your past. So the way you present yourself is the way they will receive you. So present yourself well. I also learned that NYC is the time where you can adjust anything about yourself. Maybe there's something you don't like. If you have new habits that you want to learn or you want to inculcate, this is the time. This is the right time.
Speeches are for campaigning. Now is the time for action.
I also saw the service here to be an opportunity to get connections, to make new friends. You don't know when you will need them. You don't know when they will need you. You don't know when they will be able to help you. You don't know if they have the things you need in your own life. Just make new friends, connect with people. If you have something you've always dreamed about, this is the time to do it. For example, I've always dreamed of having a YouTube channel, being in front of the camera, and during my NYC period, I was able to start my YouTube channel. Maybe that is it. Explore, try new things, put your dreams out. Maybe there will actually be people there to actually support you and encourage you and help you to achieve your goal. The next thing I'll be talking about is take things easy on yourself.
Take it easy, champ.
Yes, I know we've been talking about do this, do that, do this, do that, but the truth is all your plans will most probably not come to pass. Yes, all the hopes and expectations you have of NYSC, you'll be surprised and you'll be disappointed that everything you have planned to achieve, you may not be able to do them. The only thing is that just try your best to make good use of this period. Whatever you are able to achieve, glory to God. Whatever you are not able to achieve, you cannot rewind time. So just forget about it and be calm with yourself. Do not beat yourself up because, oh, I have wasted the whole period of NYSC. So it is better to just do your best. For example, I also had a lot of things in mind that I also wanted to achieve during this NYSC period. I couldn't do everything, but I had to learn that I can't change anything by regretting. I can't change anything by beating myself up. I can't change anything by going back or by thinking about the fact that I didn't start. So I just had to forgive myself. Yes, I have to forgive myself and move on. So please, if you're in my shoes and you thought, okay, maybe during the NYSC period, you could have used it to achieve some things, you could have used it to do some things, forgive yourself and move on. This time now, right now that you're watching this video, after this video, you can start something. Do you understand? So forget that one has passed. Take it easy on yourself, be calm with yourself, and forgive yourself and let's go. And then now you can start something new. I think the best word is learn to balance things. Try your best, but don't be too harsh on yourself. Do you understand? So the next thing I'll be talking about is money disappears. I wonder who said that 3,000 naira will be enough for me in this Nigerian economy. 33k. I remember when I went to visit a friend in Benin City. She served when they were collecting 19,800, and she was like, we are collecting 33,000. I wish she knows that even the 33,000 no they reach anywhere. I know 33,000 is not enough, but the truth is, you still have to save. Even if they are paying us 1,000 naira, the best thing is we still have to save. Even if it is just the 3,000 on top that you save, but at least save something up for emergency days. Save for days where you need money and you'll not be able to contact your parents on time. So save. Do not spend everything. I know it's not enough, especially when I have to spend the money on all these things. It's obviously not enough, but still you have to save. The next thing I'll be talking about is don't lose yourself into it. Yes, don't lose yourself into service. You are someone, you are somebody. You are a person before NYSC, and you would most probably continue to be that person after NYSC. So the period of NYSC is not what you should lose yourself for. Do you understand? For example, what I mean is there are some people that during NYSC period they change totally. They become what they are not even proud to showcase in the house. They become someone entirely different from who their parents have trained them up to be. No, don't lose yourself because you are now alone. You are now where nobody's seeing you, nobody's watching over you. Please behave yourself. Being in a different place entirely, separate from your parents, is not a reason to lose your virtues, to lose your person, to lose who your parents have raised you to be. Do you understand? So don't lose yourself into the service. Don't forget God because you are now serving or you have now made new friends. The next thing I'll be talking about is being cautious. Be cautious. You are in a new place with new set of people, new culture. So do not be too eager. Don't jump. Yes, respect their culture. Know when to stop. Yes, know when to stop. It is very. I know you may be excited that okay, now I'm in a new place. I want to learn new things. I want to see what's going on here. Understand limits and know that there are good and bad people everywhere. What are their do's and don'ts? What are the things that if strangers do or if visitors do, they may not be able to forgive the person? Or what are the things that you do and you collect scores on your head? Learn to ask questions about their way of life. By asking them questions, you know your limits and you know what not to do, so that you don't get yourself into trouble. Yes. The last but the most important thing that I'll be talking about is Pray, pray, pray. Prayer can do and undo. In fact, prayer can even change the way people treat you and look at you. Whenever I have challenges, whenever I feel like what's happening to me, in fact, whenever I go broke, I pray to God that God, I know I spent my money foolishly and all, but I want you to come true for me. Pray to God about everything. He is interested. He wants to know how you are coping. In fact, we even have some challenges and it seems like God is silent, but God wants you to talk to him. So go there and pray to your loving Father. Yes. Thank you all for joining me in today's video. If you have not seen my introductory video, please click on it at the end of this video. If you are still watching this video till now, thank you so much for staying with me. I'm so grateful. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also remember to like this video, comment down below and share this video to your friends and families. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.